Enabling two-factor authentication on Square adds an extra layer of security to your account. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your Square account. Visit the Square website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email or phone number associated with your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This can typically be found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Step 3. Select security settings. In the account settings menu, look for the security or privacy section. Click on it to find options related to two-factor authentication. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Find the option for two-factor authentication and toggle it on. You may be prompted to enter your password again for verification. Step 5. Choose your authentication method. Select your preferred method for receiving authentication codes, either via SMS or an authentication app. Follow the prompts to complete the setup, including entering the verification code sent to you. Once you have completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be active on your Square account, enhancing its security. Make sure to keep your authentication method accessible for future logins.